Alright, so this is the loadout I used in the video. I forgot whose loadout it was, but I'll put it in the description like I did with all the other loadouts. It's actually pretty good. I thought the stippled grip tape would hurt it a little bit, but there's really no downsides that hurt me. I mean, there's ADS movement speed, but I don't strafe. That's not my play style. 1% movement speed is not bad. Visible laser sights, that doesn't do anything really. And it's really good. 10% bullet spread, zoom, hit flinch, recoil control. It's all there. It's really good. As you see, I got the nuke there, or as you will see. I guess didn't mean to spoil. Spoiler alert. But I actually got this gameplay first try. It was a perfect lobby. So enjoy the video.